Alright, so anyone that uses Unreal Engine definitely knows about the whole Megascans not being free anymore. And there's been videos on people writing scripts to claim all the assets in the actual Bridge app and such. But that is not necessary. All you need to do is go to the FAB website. They now have a link where you just click claim and you can just claim them and then you have them. But you have to do this by the end of 2024 because after the end of the year, all the assets will no longer be free. But this is how you do it. I will leave a link to the FAB website in the description. And yeah, there you go. And this isn't just for Unreal Engine anymore. I believe it's for Unreal Engine and Unity. So even if you're not an Unreal Engine user, you can get all these Megascans assets for free now. Just go to the website, click the Claim Now button, sign in, and you're good to go. And once you have claimed them, you can click this Learn More button right here, and it'll take you to this thing, and you can go to the Quixel profile here, and I can click on any of these, and you can see right here, it says you own this item. So it's literally like 2 clicks, and you get all the items. You don't have to do that script thing that people were doing. So yeah, if you appreciate this tip, definitely leave a like, leave a sub. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.